Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to remove the facial verification in Binance. And to do so, it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. Now this tutorial can be only done on your phone. So you need to install the Binance app on your phone and then open it and click on the Binance icon in the top left. So once you have clicked on the Binance icon in the top left, you'll find yourself on this page with the recommended actions, the shortcuts, etc. But what's important here is the settings. So let's go into the settings. In the top right corner, you will see a gear icon, so you have to click on it once. Now you'll find yourself in the account center. Click on security. Now once you are in security here, you may be wondering, where is the facial verification? Well, the facial verification is in the passkey or biometrics. So you need to click on passkey biometrics basically. So click on it once. You will find yourself on this page. So click on add passkey. Now in the add passkey, choose an authenticator. Click on passkey, not security key, passkey. Now once you have clicked on passkey, you will find yourself in this page, biometric authentication. So here you will find the option to add your face ID if you are using an iPhone or any facial verification on your phone. So just need to untoggle it. It will be on, so you just need to turn it off. And that's it basically. You can keep other biometrics if you'd like Touch ID, etc. And that's it basically. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.